In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Days Gone. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Open the Bend game, saved, random number, save games. This is your game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, back up your game progress. Drag and drop the save files inside this folder. When this random number save games, drag and drop the save files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and choose the save file you like to play. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.